Ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
I will accept that Ghana foot to me share the minimum no akwato abama democrat. Na akwato abama hon. What do you expect? What do you expect? Me wa mami bi a hono we bue stock esepa no de nua betena no. Mami ne ye MPP ni. Nua ne ye NDC ni. Na ne sister penyin no hwe obo ne brain nyina ade man. Iso urban politics a o hwe ne sister penyin na awroba. Then ne sister ne nyim yansa. All because of NDC. Obi o hwe wo no o to ediba mo no. Onu nyim yansa all because of NDC. Na nyim yansa nka be ye de hade. Na ende nyimbi ma dishan kakre bi na mde be. Kleptocracy. Ghana sisi I am practice democracy bi ho. Kleptocracy. Na kleptocracy no ya badi. A government run by corrupt leaders who use their political power to steal from their own country. Mr. Mahama. Oya yoho papa. She Ghana mo from kana wori kam. Because what about about 15,000 nurses na kufa do reform. NDC complaining ya den ko wo for them mo permanent term. Na mo de mo ba ye automatic. Mo ma mo permanent ne fie. Apart from that one no, ejuma bia wo ba ma ejuma no 3 people. Iyuko 8 wapone dam 4 na bia ko wapone 2 no bi su fi 2 odaba no pa. Academy nsem nyina akire nkofo. Ebe ya owo mom na ehye dam nkofo no bo no. Owo mom na ebe yi nkofo edi. Eji nkofo edi mo akatina fi over 150,000 Ghanaians wotifie. Na se enye sikampo na pededi ye bibia ekwata private jet. Oh na ekwata private jet. Oh na ekwata private jet. Na NDC nya afraba na wasomo 100 cedis na abetena ha na retwero. Nti wangasa NDC nti wasi ye NDC a wo bra no nti wo maami wo papa 10 years ago ma watene dama na wate. Nti ade eri ye ona na reba ya da ko wo pension nti bobo bra atu aba ma obi de ewanyi suma de orobe no wa ma wedwuma maye obe no onka adwumasam no twanyama wo ye wodi sika wodi to pad akoji sika omani sika da kota pad asaso ekoyi bie onsaso wonfa kota pad nti wangasa NDC afraba nti se wangasa rudwini keke na kufa do ni one district one factory I would miss can profession na Ghana funankasa no wonye adwumanye mpona woda mapad na ankasa wonye na Ghana funi bi nye adwumanye da bio iyi na tamsika 292 million adi kom mobi na akwa jepad na de aba adi kom obi o na akwa jepad de aba na eka NDC waka chodo Kennedy Japan de oba ono obobo hem ye win in tementi etire MPP fu no kwara won ko support Kennedy na namase na no can no vote na oh NDC ni enyimbiri marban fom NDC on chede ya kwasie o NDC on chede ya kwasia trasa kwe so warasu ntuma nkoho na womba wobokọ ho a won so wonchi hwe wo maame ne ya bio NDC fa wo ba hwe wo maame hwe bebi afi bi o ye nodna wo krom nsumpo nyi ho abada akra so many years still ntuma head na wo boto aba wa afro wa pe phone kakra bebi amo na wato credit egudo nti ayezu ayeda kwenkwen ono nti na ntuma nda no nti wona woda ka asimia wodi mpe wo krampa de papa waka cho de MPP fu no de tanohwana because wo ye tanohwan ono nti na de ya politics my brother the man be sin asba mba kan de this is the first year. Yan share ekwanya Mr. Mahama na nkado fo dinero fado. Na se
enso be kano e benya nkrofo bi a o munim die wo fam o mun sua die nti o ma be gina o kan pa sam no ma tronsem no mo de hokọ o ma yo mo so o ma na be sai a ensai o mo de emfa o mo ho hwe akoya dondromani mama de Ghana afa so no ye Ghana ye mo bo tama ai tama ye planta o tama ho atwale ho asem ko si sai munum se de o si toma no papa we ye widini eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawum nya nsam no hu se no ye wo dictator system nti ma me fa iPad mra YouTube no mo fa nsua de se de be ye obunim de be kosoro e be kaka nke be yi truck nyina free system num wo fa maka kran trouble so bio ne bia wo de yes gina bi na akere bibia be ko computer ne laptop so enkrofo we ba bam iPad ahodo a aban we MPP aban kraba ye domama se ye so a one na dik education minister o mo se ye so a eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawum yamfo nyin na dik abenti wa gine nyina gu warehouse atum atam Ghana ska twitwiri de akoto sanitary pad wa jegu warehouse o atum atam Ghana ska twitwiri de akoto sanitary pad abachama nkwara 24 ska almost $30,000 million and the sanitary pad ne bi way ye kan ban fo akomo no tumi ehu de dondromani ma ye eti Ghana for ye bu ya chichiri mu nsa egu mo che ye bu mu ye mu hu ana mo nte anya mo ya MPP ne koye ya nko mbeka se MPP ekoto bekuma ban ye hwe no ma papa president Akufo-Addo Afrikufo penso ebesi Akufo-Addo eni Dr. Mahmoud Bawum ya nyansa ni ndie mu hwe drone service ena mu si drone service nyamu be ye free ho ti sa di bia be bo man bia eye MPP na ye ne de enye John Dramani Mahama be say no because of adeya ye de ma ye de abasobode ne ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawum ya ene John Mahama obenya wuo ebe kakra wo yire kra wo mani mfra ntoma because ntoma wo di be fra wo yire no ye be friend Dr. Bawum ya ntu be bo yire de ja sa wo de sa dwen na eba wutiri mu a wo be bo yire de dwaba ne de kwatere kwa anante ye ka kire no me se ebe kakra no ntoma ebe be wiase nyina ye de doctor din na ebe to so enti wo anhwa wo yire wo nya tam no de akire ne ho so pagine wutina fie esa nkwalawe nanka ya ibu nanka wefo a wo kan ho bi wo hye ye beto aba na wo hye maburi kutupa ene wo mpanifo NDC fo eye ase edukatia mo keka o mo nsem ya di nipa mo ja kwa ye di betwa so because mo ye desperate for power mo beji o man so anya se bia mo beja ya de pa bi o mo beja tete o man na pansa mo man no ye hu hihye mo ba ye rigi budget say enye kota ya third way mu ne we ska twitwiri dia mu donate say di bo ma ne ho bra no e dia na mutimi di ya mu kyen bu baako your first budget dia na Ghana for and this for the year your second budget dia na mo di aye moti ho no atchiri ame atchiri mu nsa guboti e po mu yam skanga kanga kaya tuama training college for alawani ahodo teacher for ala wanyina o matampani nyina te sandis for the do mama ambaye na bi say
me say tie na do wan risi amamai me do wan risi
do mama be aye na bi say
na li dia pilisi jenana means at the time the same thing 72% of unkofo exams what fairly one attain the NDC for they be what target and what farmer will put a school. They are targeting and what farmer will put a school because se omo anko school no mo ntumi anjen ama wono ho a then they use them. What I'm on. That is all what it is. So I went to man train more because Obia went to man school, Obia went to any education, then NDC I train one. Because when it is election time, all what they have to do is to come around and they give them 100 cities, 50 cities, 10 cities, 20 cities. Now what they oil and on your amukatikitibi, what I pay one do, everyone now will jubilate or you want to do. And this about Moeti. That is all what NDC is about. There been a gun of football who NDC for. So this time around the Yaboko 4 years in the way a Ghana for a Wunyansa what NDC is about. Let me name time my Ghana for Bassa. It's not about Mahamo no the NDC for the name. The NDC partner, that is what they are about. NDC partner, don't know what say. Monusuno and one Bobiano, don't know what say. They are not about development, they are about distractions, destroying people for their political gain. It's all about yen chendi into konebe for the bechedi because mameka some show NDC or one dream there no matter what work opposition watch our 4 years or baba until they don't care because when you get Ghana for you won't cost for 6 million bi wo ho until no matter what. So what opposition but what you know NDC on for one solo opposition because we know what opposition they will go stay there, then they will come out with another lies and propaganda and in Kwasia 6 million Ghana Wabajatu. She only to the piano about that council unite. Ye preach the MPP for Yanka Yanum, MPP for Yanka Yanum, MPP for Yanka Yanum, say MPP Yanka Yanum Boma and Kwasia 6 million what the Ghana. And kwase for 6 million bi wo da Ghana say yanka ye no ambom na yankyere ye nuanom na wo ya aka no fa da bia ne ma NDC fo hyehye mayen ma ye koyere ho na da bia ne ye lose na kwase fo na ba gitum na wo say Ghana. How can you fail people? How? And the message this year do MPP phone wo ma yanka yanya kuro na won ma wo pede wo say MPP yenchi won mfemfim. Na yenshi say yenima ye na akanfo because the election ye Lucy Day or ya akan community. Look at how we disgrace our own party because of somebody's selfish interest. Akanfo wo MPP me obeyenka ye no humbom na NDC it say Ghana. So ye no kwase asama ye di ya nka NDC fo win election na so onnam ye no wetim na maka wonti ye ko Lucy election na kwase fo bi ato abada me NDC. I am telling you there enye nyansafo na wo fie na wankwan kwato aba no mo eje ya aba no e da man kwase fo 6 million and tell you opposition my NDC fo it say Ghana. That is why we always preaching that we should come together. You see? Because election that you lose, it's not about the MP for Obama or NDC. They never voted for NDC, but they sat home. They refused to vote because one way fool. In the NDC say but we so we are contributing factor to the destruction of Ghana. And then MP before we are part of it. Right now, look at what is going on. Because of obedience, some or to go assuming I am telling you the fact, the gospel truth. We are part of all what is going on. The people, the NPP men, the NPP soldiers, the NPP military, the NPP what? I am calling all this because we are all NPP. Because of distractions, we allow ourselves too much all the time for NDC to distract us. Look at what is Ghana is going through. Look at what people. Look at Amamefo Mawolukum. The emotional torture. They are torturing people and they don't care. And we always say NDC. But what about us? We need to change. And your MPP, you need to change that mentality. Or because of we need to change. If we will continue this attitude, we are going to see what we are seeing. MPP party, BBS, Maybe so say your MPP ni mapa anto aba na se wonu ko suku ni bi na se we fail ni potowa who kwasam you kwasam. You have to be ashamed of yourself. I will say it as it is. Until we change. Until we change. MPP, until we change. Then you better call that MPP ni it's no matter what you want some because if you need to preach there NDC one thing want some that one year she won't walk to aba that's the only MPP day yes and juma because I work more believe a page juma it's actually my NDC are destroying people. And Kofra Wanko school no, they are destroying them. They are destroying their lives. But when can something show? MPP say yes sir. Na de bia na yebetena ho na ye de wait mu aka na ya tona dem nyama ya kodra hwe obodu baby no Ghana they are going to raise armed robbers. Ghana obodu baby no in shower for bodoso obodu baby no prostitution ebokwado etimo famna wa kokko gufie no what do you want them to do and but from na ashede efelu no kokko gufie no what do you expect nkoful baba twitu nkoful baba twitu o na wo dey chase nkofu wo honi fie na I am telling you so what twitu na so what is some nkofu wo honi fie ejijije nkofu wo back dem and Ghana or kodona it doesn't know about NDC and MPP. We are all going to suffer equally. If you are an MPP, change your attitude. Change your attitude.